To fix Google Play services that keep stopping, several steps can be taken. The issues often arise due to minor software glitches, corrupted cache data, or inaccurate date and time settings. Restarting the phone is a simple yet effective solution. This can be done by pressing and holding the power button until the power menu appears and selecting Restart, or by simultaneously pressing and holding the power and volume down buttons to automatically restart the device. Clearing cache data is another option. Go to Phone Settings, select Apps, locate Google Play Services, select Storage, and click Clear Data and Clear Cache before restarting the phone. Additionally, updating the date and time settings can resolve the issue. Launch Phone Settings, select System, and click on Date and Time. Enable Use Network Provided Time, and if necessary, select Set Time before restarting the phone. By following these steps, Google Play services that keep stopping can be fixed, resolving the problem and allowing for seamless use of the phone's features.